I really want a lunch.
Huh?
Hello. Hey guys, I'm Cheyenne and this is Isaiah.
Hey.
Today we are going to be making
Wow.
cloud slime is normally made with instant snow, but instant snow is very hard to find. So instead of using instant snow, we have diapers. Woo! Okay, so first let's fill the diapers up with water. Whoa! Okay, so let's open the diapers.
This is really complicated.
I know! These are very complicated, people.
Ah.
Baby diaper. Oh my gosh. Oh my!
Let me pour it all.
Dang, this thing holds a lot of water.
Holds a lot of
Holds
water.
a lot of water. Now we have to have scissors. We gotta cut this to get the gel out.
Whoa.
It looks like snow.
I didn't know this stuff was in diapers.
Me either. That's super cool.
Whoa.
Looks like.
It's really cold too.
Oh my gosh, God, look. If you need instant snow, use a diaper.
Use a diaper.
It works pretty well. Okay, so now we're gonna put this to the side and make fluffy slime to mix this stuff in with so it can be like a cloud. Okay, so to make fluffy slime, shaving cream, 2 things of glue,
2. And color of your choice.
color of your choice, eye contact solution.
And a spoon.
Woo! Well, yeah. Spoon, ball, yay! Pour your glue in.
Whoa.
I know. Whoa! Power of time lapse.
I wonder what glue tastes like.
Don't eat it. Okay, so now you do the color of your choice.
Woo, woo. Alright.
Okay, so now mix up your colors. Now the fun part.
Oh, now the fun part.
Are you ready? After you add, and then add your contact lens solution.
Okay. Whoa.
It's like making it. Mine's cotton candy.
Whoa. I don't know what mine is. Mine just smells. This is
Hard? Yeah.
This is a workout.
2 hours later.
I really want a lunch.
Eventually.
Now we are going to put in our diapers. No.
It's so cold.
It's so cold.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
This is
It's
cloud
cloud
slime
slime.
with a diaper.
Woo. It's so cool.
This is the coolest thing I've ever made. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I have more DIYs and slime videos coming up.
Bye.
Bye.